The today's topic is Hridroga, the cardiac problems or cardiac discomforts which falls under the broad heading called Hridroga. So what is the importance of this Hridroga, that's a cardiac problem, and what is the importance of the Hridaya? Hridaya is the moola of a Dashadamani, which believed as the total vasculature supply of a body, the Dashadamanis, and considered as the one among three marma. In Charaka has broadly classified marma into three types. Those are Shiras, Basti and Hridaya. As Hridaya being one of the three marma, it's a very vital point. Any affection or any disease to this area will cause a severe complications in the body, and any disease pertaining to this will cause a severe damage to the body. So the study of the Hridroga are very important. Then what is the Nirukti of the Hridroga? What is the definition? Hridorogaha Hridrogaha, as mentioned in a Madhukosha commentary. Hridaye badam Hridrogam tam prachakshate. The disease which hampers the activity of a heart, which causes the bada to the Hridaya, are nothing but the Hridrogas. So what is the Nidana? The causative factors for these Hridroga are, according to Madhava Nidhana, अत्युष्ण गुरुवान कषाय तिक्त श्रमाभिघाता अध्यशन प्रसंगैः संचित्तनैर् वेगविदारणैः हृदामयाः पंचविधा प्रतिष्ठाः. So Madhavanidhana said that there are 5 types of Hridroga. The reason or the causative factors for them are the Aharaja Nidhana are Atyushna Bhojana, heavy hot food intake, and Guruvana, excessive heavy food intake, and Kashaya rasa, it's having the Vikasi Guna. So this will causes the Shitilata of all joints of the body and causes the Bhada for a Hridaya. That's why Kashaya rasa is a apatya for a Hridroga, or cause for a Hridroga. Tikta rasa, excessive Tikta rasa consumption, and Adhyashana, the improper dietic habits, are the cause it Aharaja Nidhana for the Hridroga. And Viharaja Nidhana are Shrama, excessive exercises or excessive exhaustion of the body, doing heavy works and all will cause the Hridroga. And Abhighata, any injuries or any accidents will cause the heart diseases. And Vega Vidarana, the suppression of a natural urges, where Adharaniya Vega, Dharana is the cause of a Hrudamaya. Sanchittanair, that is Manasika Nidhana. Sanchittanair is nothing but the Chinta, Kshoka, Bhaya, Krodha, all the mental afflictions, Arishad Vargas, will cause the Hrudamayas. These Hrudamaya nothing but the Hridroga. These all the Nidhanas, Aharaja, Viharaja, Manasika Nidhana or Abhigataja Nidhana will cause the Hrudamaya, that are in 5 types, the Panchavida Pratishtaha. Then what is the Nidhana? According to Charaka, when it comes to the Aharaja Nidhana, Tikshna Annapana, Ushna Annapana, the heavy, sharp, penetrating food articles, when we consume in a large amount in daily basis, will cause the Hridamaya, because of the it is the seat of the Ojas, and Ojas has having the Sukshma, Saumya, Shita Guna and Madhura Rasatmaka. When we intake the Tikshna Annapana, Ushna Annapana, it is opposite to the Ojas, and it causes the hamper for the vitality of the body, and it does the Tikshna Guna always does the hamper for a body at some particular. It has the Srotogamitva and clears the channel, it does the cushion of the body. That's why Tikshna Annapana is Nidhana, one of Ati Sevana, Nidhana of a Hridroga. And when it comes to the Viharaja Nidhana, Ati Vyayama is Shrama considered, Ati Vyayama, Ati Virechana, the excessive purgation, Mityacharana of a Basti, and Vegadharana is the cause for Hridroga. And when it comes to the Manasika, Bhaya, Chinta, Trasa nothing but the exhaustion is mental exhaustion is one of the Manasika Nidhana of a Hridroga. And other causes are Gadatichara, the chronicity of the any kind of a disorder will cause a cardiac discomfort or cardiac diseases. Ama, the improperly digested food articles, when it be settled in the Amashaya for a longer duration, it will cause the Hridroga, because when it is in the Amashaya, it does the Urdhvagamitva, it does the Vimarga Gamana of Ama will occur, which goes to the Hridaya seat there and produces many complication, and it spreads to the periphery through the Dashadamani and causes many complications. That's why Ama is one of the reason of a chest diseases or heart diseases. Chardi, the excessive vomiting due to the maybe due to the roga or excessive improperly conducted or ati yoga of the vamana karma is the cause for a hridroga. And karshana, the person who is very emaciated and weak, he will suffer from the Hridroga and Abhighata, any kind of injuries which occur to the body or occur at the chest region will cause the Hridroga. And what is the Samanya Lakshana of this Hridroga? As we said, there are 5 types are there. They will have the individual symptoms and signs which based on the involvement of a doshas, particular dosha. So what are the Samanya Lakshana of Hridroga? If a person is feeling these kind of symptoms, then we can say that he is suffering from the Hridroga or chest diseases or a heart diseases. So what are those? Vaivarnata, there will be a discoloration of a face, or a cyanosis will be there in a lips, or a total body discoloration will be there. There will be a loss of a luster. As the ojas is getting affected in the Hridaya, the varna of the person is going to diminish, complexion of the person is going to diminish, and he may discolor into the Shava, Pita, Harita Varna and all. And Murcha, because of the hampering of the blood circulation in the body, there will be a fainting and there will be a lack of oxygenated blood in the body. That's why he will feel muhur, he will feel the unconsciousness. And Jwara, as the any kind of a discomfort in the body will cause the Jwara is the one of the symptom. And Kasa, because of the Kapha involvement and because of the obstruction of a Kapha in the Hridroga, as the Amasha is the Urus is the main seat of Kapha, and Kapha is going to hamper. It will cause a respiratory disorders. That's why Kasa will be there, Kapha will be there, Hikka, the clinical hiccup, the pathological hiccups will be there, not the normal one, which is produced for a continue and without any gap. And Shwasa, the breathing difficulty will be there because of the maybe due to the chest congestion or a gurutva of a chest, or somebody is holding feeling of the chest will be there. And Asya Vairasya, because of the ama may be there, because of the pain may be there, there will be a hamper of Agni to the body. That's why Asya Vairasya, the anorexia may be there. Pramoha, because of the lack of a proper circulation of the proper circulation of the nutrient and oxygenated blood. Pramoha, the delusions or dizziness the person may feel. Chardi, there may be a vomiting. Kapha because of the aggravation of a kapha, because of the obstruction of a kapha, there will be a kapha utkleshana. The maybe by this spitting or by difficulty in breathing and difficulty in talking, the kapha may be there. Ruja, the excessive pain at the chest region will be there. That may be a tearing type of pain, pricking type of a pain. And Aruchi, as ama will be there, that produces the Aruchi. And Trushna, excessive thirst will be there. So what is the Samprapti, how the etiopathogenesis of this Hridroga is there, what it causes and how it occurs in the body. According to Shushruta Uttara Tantra and Madhava Nidana, they said the Samprapti of the Hridroga like Dushayitva Rasam Dosha Vigunam Hridayagata Hridi Bhadam Prakurvanti Hridrogam Tam Prachakshate. So the aggravated dosha in the body due to the Nidhana Sevana, there may be a Tikshna Ahara Sevana, Tikshna Annapana, Ushna Annapana, Shrama, Abhighata, Chinta, Bhaya, Krodha, everything does the Dushana of the Rasadhatu, the Rasam dosha, the Rasadhatu by doshas, vitiated dosha. These both, the vitiated dosha and vitiated Rasadhatu, Viguna, having the improper guna, Hrudayam Gata, go to the Hrudaya, Hrudi Bhadam Prakurvanti, Hridrogam Tam Prachakshate. These vitiated Rasadosha, vitiated Rasadhatu with the vitiated Tridosha or a particular dosha go to the Hridaya and produces the Bhada, the discomfortness or a hamper to the Hridaya. Prakurvanti then produces the what? Hridrogam Tam Prachakshate, produces the disease which is called as a Hridroga. So this schematical representation of a Samprapti may be like Nidhana Sevana will occur. So Vatadi Dosha Prakopa will be there. Agni Dushti in Amashya, which causes a ama. Ama will leads to the improper Ahara Rasa, Adi Ahara Dhatu. So Rasa Dhatu is hampered. So Dushita Rasa Dhatu reaches the Hridaya because the Rasa Dhatu always go to the Dashadamani for the Sanchara. That's why it reaches the Hridaya by the Vata. Because of the Gati Dhatu is the Vata only, it reaches the Hridaya and causes a variety of a discomfort, variety of a Pidana in the Hridaya. That's nothing but the Hridroga. That may be a smallest pain in the Hridaya or due to the arterial block, whatever it may be, the small to the smaller scale to the bigger scale diseases are comes under the Hridroga. So what are the Samprapti Ghatakas, the peculiar pathological events or pathological units involved in these Hridroga are Dosha, Tridosha will be there, Dusha, Rasa and Rakta mainly, Agni, Jataragni, and Rasa Rakta Dhatwagni. Srotas is a Rasavaha Srotas. Dushti Sandhi and Ati Pravritti. Udgamasthana is Udbhavasthana is Amashya, because of the Ama will be there. Vyaktasthana is Uras, the chest, and Adhisthana in Hrudaya, because of Hridroga. Rogha Marga is the Abhyantara. And what is the classification? As we already know, there are 5 types of Hridroga are there. Those are Vataja, Pittaja, Kafaja, Tridoshaja and Krimija. And Vataja, what are the peculiar differential diagnosis among these Vataja, Pittaja, Kafaja, Sannipataja and Krimija Hridroga are? Vataja Hridroga will be mainly caused by the previous Nidhana, including the Vatakara Ahara Vihara when consumed excessively. So what are the Lakshana of these Vataja Hridroga presents? Atiruja, severe kind of a pain will be there in case of a Vataja Hridroga. That may be a pricking type of pain or squeezing type of pain. The pain is in very severe form. The person cannot tolerate it. He may undergo unconsciousness. That is called as the Vataja Hridroga. Main is Atiruja. So Vepattu will be there, Veshtana will be there, the Stamba will be there, and Pramoha. The person always frequently goes for an unconscious state. That is nothing but the Vataja Hridroga. And Pittaja Hridroga. Previous Nidhana and Pittakara Ahara Vihara, when done in an excessive manner, then it cause a Pittaja Hridroga. So what is the Lakshana? Daha, the burning sensation of a chest region, and Amla Udgara, sore belching will be there. Klama, Trushna, sway, the excessive sweating. Dhumayana, the fumigation, is a feeling of fumigations or heart flashes inside the heart. And Murcha, the person frequently feel the unconsciousness here also. And Kafaja Hridroga, Nidana is the previous Nidana and Kafakara Ahara Vihara, which aggravates the Kapha. And Lakshana, the Kafaja Hridroga presents are Suptata of a Hrudaya, that's numbness over the chest region, numbness of the heart, the feeling insensation at the chest region, and Stimita, the obstructed feeling at the chest region, and Bharika, the heavy feeling at the chest region, Tandra, and Aruchi is the Lakshanas of a Kafaja Hridroga. And Krimija Hridroga, special kind of a Hridroga. The Nidana for this Krimija Hridroga are Ati Tila Sevana, Kshira Sevana and Guda Sevana. The Krimi Utpanna Ahara Vihara, when we do, those are nothing but the Nidana of a Krimija Hridroga. And what is the Samprapti? Etiopathogenesis, how it occur? Nidana Sevana is occur, so excessive, the Ati Tila Sevana, Kshira, Guda Sevana will cause excessive Kledatva in the body, and that Kledatva will gain by the Rasadhatu, so Rasadhatu becomes sticky. By that the Rasadhatu, through the Vata, it will goes to the Hrudaya and forms Granthi, the nodules over the heart, and Utpatti of a Krimi. And what are the Lakshana of this Krimija Hridroga? When Krimi will eat the tissue of the Hrudaya, the occurred Krimi will eat the tissue of the Hrudaya and produces a pain like Tudyamana, the pricking type, Chidyamana, the tearing type, Suchibiri, again pricking type of a pain will occur. And what is the Upadrava? The complications are caused by the Hridroga. Most complication is the person will undergo the diminishing of his general health. Klama will be there, Sada will be there, Sosha will be there, Brahma will be there. He will feel exhausted, he will feel unconscious, he will feel weak, he will feel discomfortness in all the activity whatever he do. And what is the Sadhya Asadhyata of this Hridroga? Usually Hridroga is Kruchra Sadhya because it is one of the Marma, and in the Hridroga, Sadhya is Eka Doshaja, maybe Vataja, Pittaja, Kafaja, Sadhya when we done a specific treatment, that to a correct treatment, and Asadhya is Tridoshaja and Krimija Hridroga.